Hey guys, we received this birthday wrapping paper for mini rolls, 17 inch by 120 inches, and for the kids' birthday parties or the colorful letters or the star design wherever you want to use. So we received this as a sample to test and try. So you can see individually these rolls are wrapped into plastic, and then this is a really nice material and a good printing on top of it. So these papers are meant for the gift wrapping, which needs to be torn off after you wrapped it. But the outside, the look, and then the color combination looks really nice, as you can see it here. They are crisp printing on top of these papers, and there is no like the ink lagging or spreading or something. Printed really well, and the nice paper rolls to wrap up your gifts and for the gifts to give to others. So overall, my impression for this paper gift wraps are good. As you can see, the colors and the printing on top of it. Fun for the kids to wrap in the gift, and of course, your gift will look nice. And this also comes with the stickers, like these stickers that you can put on top. So almost they are very similar to the gift wraps. So you can just put in the sticker or the birthday gift tags on the top, and that's describe how to wrap your gift. So basically a very nice four rolls with the stickers and manual just to use how to wrap your gifts to give to others.